You come on, the movie's starting. Bring the popcorn.
Alright, just give me a second.
Bro, you good? Yeah, let's watch the movie.
If I could save time in a bottle, the first thing that I'd like to do is to save every day till eternity passes away, just to spend them with you. If I could make days last forever, if words could make wishes come true, I'd save every day like a treasure, and then again I would spend them with you. But there never seems to be.
Not today. Not today.